Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Fortnite Creative, open your island and enable necessary developer tools so you can place devices. Once done, place a trigger device near where players spawn. This tells the map when to reset. Make sure a spawner or item device is positioned to respawn loot or players. Also, add a sequencer or counter device now. You'll use it to schedule the reset. You're setting the foundation. Triggers, spawners, and a timing mechanism all active and ready. Now configure the logic that performs the reset. Connect your trigger to a sequencer or timer. Choose elapsed time if you want automatic resets or player interact for manual restarts. Set the sequencer duration and pulse count so it sends a clear reset signal on a specific channel. Then route that channel to your spawner and any devices that need resetting, like scoreboards or item chests. Make small tests between changes and adjust timing until the reset happens reliably and smoothly. Finish by thoroughly playtesting the reset sequence in solo mode. Run through multiple cycles to ensure consistency. If the auto reset fails, check channel assignments first. Mismatched channels are the most common issue. Then confirm devices aren't disabled and that permissions allow device actions. Make sure the sequencer outputs match the spawner's receive channel. Once consistent, lock device settings and publish or share the island. A final tip: keep a backup copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.